Lighthouse Cove, located in Carolina Shores, North Carolina, is an H&H Homes community. Extremely low HOA fees makes this community very affordable while maintaining the integrity of the community. Roast marshmallows by the fire pit or enjoy a book on one of the swings overlooking the lake. Minutes to the Calabash waterfront as well as Sunset Beach makes this an ideal location. A new phase is opening soon, so stay tuned for more information or call me at 843-742-7149. Thanks for riding through Lighthouse Cove. See you next time.